So next to speak this afternoon is Nils Rehmann from Canuevo. Canuevo, Nils.
Make it medicine. This is Vera's demand, and it stems from her daughter Ava's battle with Dravet syndrome, a severe form of epilepsy that causes the child to have between 10 and 20 epileptic seizures a day. No pharmaceutical on the market today can control her seizures, and every single one that has been tried had severe side effects. In one case, Ava had a heart attack. In her desperation, her mother Vera decided to use an extract from cannabis. And after the first administration, the family experienced 11 seizure-free days. Ava is now starting to talk and making progress in school, two things that were previously not possible. There are millions of people around this planet with various illnesses and diseases that could benefit from cannabis as a medicinal. However, in the eyes of Western medicine, this is not a pharmaceutical. This is a plant. Worse yet, it's marijuana, and therefore far more akin to snake oil than a medicine. And even if a doctor considers cannabis to help his patients, the question that remains is, what's the dose? It's just not standardized. I'm a natural product chemist with a PhD in pharmacology and have for the last 5 years worked as a consultant for standardization, quality assurance, and good manufacturing practices, mostly in the cannabis industry. My colleague, Daniel Carbo, who's with us today, is an expert in encapsulation of small molecules for drug delivery, as well as a bioinformatics guy and knows about in silico modeling of cannabinoids. And together, we founded Canuevo Biotech to put the science into cannabis and turn it into medicine that doctors can prescribe with confidence to their patients. We do this by focusing on drug delivery technology based on functionalized encapsulation. With our proprietary technology, we can turn the plant into a measurable medicine that can be used for standardized and repeatable clinical trials so it can become a fully licensed pharmaceutical. Since the incorporation of the company only in April of this year and partaken in the accelerator from RebelBio, we've hit quite a few milestones. We have proven our concept. We've also formulated our first product, which is a skincare product that we're launching on the cosmetics market right now, and we will develop it further into a treatment for psoriasis, which is a $5 billion market by itself. We're filing our patent right now on our technology, and we have achieved first sales of our cosmetic product, which is now available on our online platform. We're talking to distributors in Europe as well as South America right now. We're looking for $650,000 just to continue the momentum that we've gathered and continue with efficacy trials, pharmaceutical development, and we're anticipating to hit clinical trials by the end of 2019, maybe the beginning of 2020. See how it goes. With your help, we can make medicine for people just like Ava, so they can reach their full potential in life. Because you never know, maybe in 10 or 15 years, and given the chance, it might be Ava standing right here and pitching to you guys her idea. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Nils. I mean, cannabis has been used to treat all sorts of conditions for years and years and years, hasn't it?
We have a fact here that in 1850 it was used in the US to treat tetanus, typhus, cholera, rabies, dysentery, alcoholism, anthrax, leprosy, snake bites, tonsillitis, and insanity. But what it seems to me is it's going to come back, right? And so there'll just be 100 and odd years in human history where we didn't use it, and the rest of the time we will have done.
Yeah, I think we've been using it for, if we go back, I think the first earliest one was 3,000 years ago that is documented. We have an endocannabinoid system suggesting we've had a long-term exposure to the cannabinoids, so it's definitely going to come back.
And it is already, so it's legal. America last year, their most important vote was just voting to legalize cannabis in a lot of states, I think, wasn't it? And in Uruguay, you can buy it in pharmacies now, I think.
Yes, for the last 2 weeks, yes.
Yeah.
That's actually where my colleague is from. He's from Uruguay.
Yeah, already booked my flight.
But I think the point is that there are lots of molecules in cannabis, but not all of them make you high. Is that right?
That's just true. There's actually only very few of the cannabinoids that are psychoactive, most famously the THC. Our products right now contain CBD. It's non-psychoactive, just if anybody wants to know about that. Everybody always asks me, can I smoke this? No, it's a skin cream. Please don't smoke it. Yeah.
But so what you're doing is you're standardising it. You're trying to make it appropriate and give it some sort of rigour so it can be prescribed, it can be used as a medicine rather than some sort of alternative treatment.
Yeah, that's exactly the point. It's getting away from this herbal extract. We want to get a pharmaceutical that has a known mode of action. We know the release profile, which is why we're employing the drug delivery, and go through all the same trials and tribulations every other FDA licensed drug has to. Yeah. That's the way to make it serious.
Being rigorous with it. Yes. Being rigor. We like rigor. Lovely. Thank you so much indeed.
Thank
Well
you.
done.